Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're tackling a super practical topic: how to view your Walmart credit card statement in 2025. Whether you're keeping tabs on your spending, checking for rewards, or just staying on top of your bills, this quick guide will have you sorted in no time. Let's dive right in. First, make sure you have your Walmart account set up. If you don't, head to the Walmart website or download the app and create one. It's free and easy. Once logged in, navigate to the Account, or My Walmart, section, usually found in the top right corner of the site or in the app's main menu. Next, look for the Credit Card or Financial Services option. Remember, Walmart credit cards are often managed by Capital One, so you might get redirected there. That's totally normal. Just follow the prompts to access your card details. Now, in your credit card dashboard, find the Statements or Billing tab. Click on it, and you'll see your most recent statement displayed. You can scroll through it to check transactions, balances, and due dates. If you need older statements, there should be a drop-down menu or list to select from. For added convenience, most statements can be downloaded as a PDF. Just hit the download button and save it to your device for your records. This is great for tax purposes or personal budgeting. A quick tip: always review your statement for any unauthorized charges and ensure your account security is tight. Use strong passwords, enable two-factor authentication, and keep your app updated to protect your info. And there you have it. Viewing your Walmart credit card statement is straightforward and empowers you to manage your finances like a pro. If this helped, hit that like button, subscribe for more tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.